Hello everyone. In this video, self-assessment term 1 model paper 2025-26 class ninth subject social studies question paper with the answer. This question paper and the key download to the telegram link on the description. Follow the link, like and share and subscribe to Manish Sir YouTube channel. Let's start the question paper with the answer. Section 1 multiple choice question. Each question has 4 options. Out of only one option is correct. Question number 1. The strait which separates Sri Lanka from India is Palk Strait, Burling Strait, Cook Strait, Malacca Strait. What is the answer? Answer is a Palk Strait is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer of the first question. Question number 2. Which of the following is the most abundant factor of production in village Palampur? Land, capital, labor, interpretership. Which one is the correct answer? Correct answer option C. Labor is the correct answer of the second question. Question number 3. Who wrote the book? Who wrote the book The Spirit of Law? Option Rousseau, Montesquieu, John Locke and Voltaire. Which one answer? Answer is the option B. Montesquieu is the correct answer of the third question. Next question. Democracy improve the quality of decision making because first decisions are taken by the single leader. Option B. It involves consultation and discussion. It focuses only on the wealthy. Decisions are taken very quickly. Which one answer? Answer option B. It involves consultation and discussion. Question number 5. The Mahanadi, Godavari and Krishna and the Kaveri rivers drain into Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, Del Lake. Which answer? Answer Bay of Bengal is the correct answer. Question number 6. What is the question number 6? Which period in the history France is known as the region of terror? 1789 to 1791, 1793 to 1794, 1804, 1815, 1914, 1980. Which one answer? Answer option B 1793 to 1794. Question number 7. Which of the following is an example of fixed capital? Raw material, money and land, machines and tools, seeds. Which answer? Answer option C is the correct answer. Machines and tools. Question number 8. The system racial segregation in South Africa was known as Savaginian Republic, Apartheid, fraternity. Which one answer? Answer is apartheid is the correct answer of the 8th question. Question number 9. Identify the river. Identify the river marked A. What is the answer? Ganga, Narmada, Godavari, Mahanadi. Answer is a Narmada. Option B is the correct answer of the question. Question number 10. In the context of Russia, what is kolkhoz? Private firm, collective firm, king army, a tax. What is the answer? Answer is option B. Collective form is the correct answer. Question number 11. Which of the following is a tertiary sector activity? Option A. Agriculture, mining, banking, fishing. Answer banking is a tertiary sector activity. Next question number 12. Who is the chairman of drafting committee of Indian Constitution? Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sarojini Naidu. What is the answer? Answer is a Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is a drafting committee of Indian Constitution of chairman. Next question number 13. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which of these states? Odisha, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Tripura. Which one answer? Answer is option B. Odisha is the correct answer. Question number, identify the misallied pair. कोंकण कोस्ट, महाराष्ट्र, मलाबर कोस्ट, केरला, कोरामंडल कोस्ट, तमिलनाडु, चिल्का लेक, राजस्थान. आंसर इज अ चिल्का लेक, राजस्थान. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. वन पर्सन वन वोट वन वैल्यू इज फीचर ऑफ मार्कोची, डिक्टेटरशिप, डेमोक्रेसी, अरिस्टोक्रेसी. विच वन आंसर? Answer is option C, democracy. Democracy is the correct answer of the 15th question. Question number 16. Investment in human capital is made through education and health, transport and industry, saving money in bank, buying land, the largest freshwater in lake. What is the answer? Answer, education and health is a human capital. Question number 17. The largest freshwater lake in India is Samvarje Lake, Wular Lake, Chilka Lake, Pulicat Lake. Which answer? Answer is a Wular Lake is the correct answer. Question number 18. The incident known as Bloody Sunday, French Revolution, 1905 Revolution in Russia, October Revolution, Nazi Revolution. Which answer? Answer is 1905 Revolution in Russia. Question number 19. Which body in India ensure free and fair election? Parliament, Prime Minister, Election Commission of India, Supreme Court. What is the answer? Election Commission of India. Identify the picture given below. Identify the picture given below. What is the answer? Option: strumming of Bastille, Bloody Sunday, tennis court oath, singing of the Constitution. Which answer? Answer is the storming of the Bastille is the correct answer. Option A is the right answer of the question. Next section 2 marks question. Distinguish between Bhangar and Khadar. 21st question. 22. What the difference between distinguished unemployment and seasonal unemployment? Define preamble. What is called soul of the Constitution? Question number 24. Who were the radicals in the context of European history? 4 marks question. Observe the table regarding French Revolution and answer the question. 1789 France became a constitutional monarchy, and 1792 France became a republic. 1804 Napoleon became emperor. 1815 Napoleon defeated Waterloo. A. When did France become a republic? 1792. Who crowned himself emperor in 1804? Napoleon became a emperor. Now, where was Napoleon defeated? Waterloo. How many year after becoming a republic did Napoleon become emperor? Next question. What is the role of health in human capital formation? And now, explain the major power and function of the Election Commission of India. Question number 29. Observe the pie chart and answer the following question. What percentage of farmers are marginal and small farmers? and B1, who cultivated the majority of land area. And the next question, why do we need a constitution? Question number 30A, contrast the relief of the Himalayan region with the peninsular plateau. And the 31st question, describe the circumstances leading to outbreak of revolutionary protest in France. And 32A, what is a democracy? Explain main feature of democratic government. Election in India are free and fair. Explain the challenges to free and fair election of India. And located the outline map in India, K2 Peak, Pulicat Lake, River Narmada, Tropic of Cancer. And B, locate the following out map of world: France, Germany, England, Russia. And the internal Indian map, Aravalli Range, Malabar Coast, Chilka Lake, the standard meridian of India 82° 30' east, and the world map, USA, Italy, Japan, Indian Ocean. Thanks to watch, like and share and subscribe to Manish Sir YouTube channel. Thank you so much.